Hello, AIM participants. It is now time for part 2 of observation, coaching, and feedback. I wanted to make you a video to walk you through the steps of how to submit your recording for your pre-conference video. So in Canvas, you will see this observation, coaching, and feedback module. At the top, we have here listed your resources. We have your AISD coaching framework and your coaching look-fors, which is on the 2 items that you received at the coaching session that we had on July 20th. Also, this third tab will show you the updated lead principal groups. As you know, we did lose one of our lead principals, and so we have updated our groups. You should have heard from your new lead principal, but I also wanted to put it here for you. I do encourage you, if you have not heard from your lead principal, to go ahead and contact them, as they will be much involved in your part 2 of observation, coaching, and feedback. So let's move on to the campus observation details. So as you can see, there are 3 major steps. Step 1 will be to identify the teacher that you will coach. You must identify this teacher by September 6th. So the way that you let us know that you have done so is you will click on there and it will take you to a form. So on this form, you will tell us the name of your teacher, campus, subject, teacher's grade level, and then any background information that you feel we need to know about this teacher at this time. Step 2 is to schedule the walkthrough with your lead principal. This step is due September 13th. So once you have identified that teacher, you will then reach out to your lead principal, and do realize that I said you will reach out to your lead principal and schedule a time for them to visit the teacher's classroom. You and your lead will together do a walkthrough on the teacher to observe, and then you will calibrate on the data that has been collected. At this time, you guys will discuss the focus area that you guys are going to place for this teacher. And then also, this is a great time to talk about what that pre-conference may sound like. Once you have that scheduled walkthrough date, what you'll do on this part is hit reply and leave a comment with your lead principal's name and the date and time that you agreed upon for this walkthrough. All the walkthroughs need to be completed by Friday, September 22nd. So I want to be clear that that means they need to be done, not scheduled by September 22nd. It needs to be scheduled by September 13th, but it needs to be completed by September 22nd. Step 3 is your video submission. So after you have completed your walkthrough with your principal, it's important that you set up the pre-conference with your teacher within the next 48 hours. You want to make sure that the teacher is aware that this coaching session will be recorded, and this video shouldn't be no longer than 10 to 15 minutes. It will need to be submitted into Canvas by Friday, September 29th. And as you can see, there is a success criteria for this video submission. Coaching pre-conference videos should be submitted by no later than 4:00 p.m. on Friday, September 29th. The pre-conference video should be within the range of 10 to 15 minutes, and the coaching framework and look-for should be evident. Once you have submitted this video, you then will need to contact your lead principal to let them know that it's been submitted and that you are ready to schedule your coaching feedback session with them. Once you have completed all of these 3 steps, you are done, and we look forward to observing with you and watching your recording and giving some feedback. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns, and have fun.